Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to create your very own Shadowsocks server account. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and of course, subscribe for more tech tutorials. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Firstly, open your preferred browser and head over to the SSH Max website. Once you're on the home page, click on the hamburger icon to explore the available menus. Step 2. Now, within the list of menus, find and click on Services. From there, you'll see a set of submenus. Specifically, locate and click on Shadowsocks to proceed with setting up your server. Step 3. It's time to choose a server location. Simply pick any location from the list provided and click on Select Location. To proceed to the next page, hit the Create button to initiate the server creation process. Step 4. After reaching the server creation page, ensure you've checked the reCAPTCHA box. Now, click on the Generate Now button to create your Shadowsocks server. Once it's created, copy the information, be it the Shadowsocks server, Shadowsocks OBFS HTTP, or Shadowsocks OBS TLS, and save it on a notepad for your records. Step 5. And there you have it. Your Shadowsocks server is up and running. If you're unfamiliar with tools like HTTP Injector, HTTP Custom, or other VPNs, check out my video linked below for a comprehensive guide. Conclusion. That's a wrap for today's tutorial on creating a Shadowsocks server account. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.